Coming to you live from that Canadian Lawn Guy studio, bringing you lawn transformation at a new customer's rental. So here we go. We're at this property out in Millbrook. I've got the speed here sped up a little bit, so it definitely is a very thick lawn. It hadn't been cut in quite a while. I did ask the customer when it was cut last, and they said like 10 days. So sometimes people tell the truth and other times they don't. But anyways, I got a good price for the one-time cut, and I wanted to add some more country properties onto my Monday route because I'm already out in Millbrook, Ontario, so why not add some more to that morning and make it more efficient route. So anyways, I charged for the one-time cut, and then I was already discussing taking care of the property regularly for this customer, and after a week and a half after cutting this the first time, he signed up for the season, mostly weekly cutting, for the whole season. And I got a good price per cut because it's kind of a bigger property, and there's week one done. It's not perfect, doesn't look that great. I did trim. It's at 3.5. As you saw when we were cutting, it was quite long. Still, we'll have some transformation, but job done for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, week 2. So it's been pretty dry since we last recorded, so not really any new growth. So this will be week 2. So lots of excess grass here to cut up. So we'll get started here and get this cleaned up better. So as I said, this is week 2, and it really dried up in this week since the first part of the video. So I again cut it at 3.5, and as you can see, there's tons of excess grass still laying on the property, and I tried to go over it a few times to break it up even more, and you'll see here at the end of this clip that it's just covering the whole lawn, so I was afraid that the grass would not grow with this much excess grass. It would grow a lot slower. So I'm going to show you me blowing off all the excess grass into the side of the property. So I'm using the BR 800 Stihl backpack blower, side start. I absolutely love this blower. I own 2 of them. And when you need to clean off a very big driveway or a long walkway or blow leaves or blow excess grass like I'm doing here, you can blow sticks into a pile. You can use the BR 800 for hedge trimming. There's so many opportunities to grab this. I do use a small battery-powered Milwaukee blower this past season. But when you need the extra power, definitely this one saves you a lot of time.
Hi there, Craig with That Canadian Lawn Guy channel. So we got Stihl KM94R with the blade attachment. And like I said, up here, this is week for 3 of the property. There we go. Okay, there you go. So, as you saw when I first started, I almost took out these berries. I definitely glad I saw them because we're gonna eat one right now. That one was good. Every week we can have a few. So anyways, yeah, cleaned it up. I know it's just a junk pile, but it just makes it look a lot better. So this is cut at 3 1/4. And it goes back a little bit. And they're just renovating this, gutting this house and gonna rent it out. But it, I was able to add it onto my country properties route on Mondays when I'm already out here, like 20 minutes outside of Peterborough. I might as well have a full morning or a full day of close properties to do. So I usually get back into Peterborough by about noon, and then we do a variety of smaller properties that I've added onto my Monday route. So anyways, that's week 3, and it's looking nice. Till next time, guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one.
That was another Canadian YouTube video, eh?